Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with Lilia. On this recipe, I've got for you some candied pecans, which if you ask me, I think they make the perfect little topping for salads, pancakes, or waffles, or really just to eat on their own. And if you're new to the channel, I want to welcome you with a big warm hug and tell you thank you for stopping by, and please subscribe if you would like to see more tasty videos. Got my heat on low medium, and I'm going to roast these pecans just for a little bit, just so they have a nice bold taste. These to the side a little bit. Add my salt and my cinnamon. I'm going to toast my cinnamon just for a few seconds here. Now I got the heat now on low. You can smell that. And now I can add my brown sugar. I'm going to make sure to incorporate that all in together very well. And we're just going to continue cooking this on a low heat until the sugar starts to melt and it kind of starts bubbling. This is something you won't want to leave here just hanging around. You'll want to be at the stove top the entire time because this process goes by super fast. Now I'm going to add in some water. And the butter. I don't know if you guys have ever had candied nuts. They're so delicious. It kind of gives it that flavor, even like theater popcorn that has that cinnamon. It's just really good. So we're gonna mix all these ingredients very well. You want to be careful with this not to splatter the sugar because it will really hurt you. So you just want to make sure to keep stirring, but very, very carefully. And if you have to add a little bit of water just to get that sugar going, please do so. Make sure that all of these are coated very well in the syrup. Just be very careful. If you add a little bit more water, do it slowly and make sure this is on low heat. And please don't make the mistake of trying these pecans out while it's still hot, because you can completely end up ripping your skin. Just be very gentle with this, and I'm heating this up on a low heat just until all of the sugar starts to crystallize on the pecans. So you'll notice it starts bubbling. That means we're kind of reaching the finishing point. Make sure to spread these apart quickly. They'll still end up sticking together, and once they cool off, you'll want to break them up a little bit. And you can totally switch up the flavors as well. There's been times I add a little bit of chipotle powder to this just to make it a little bit more like a savory type of candied nut for salads. So I'm going to let this cool. And no recipe should be left out without a taste test. So folks, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button so you don't miss out on any of these tasty videos. Until next time, bye-bye.